Listen up, Coily Companions. I'm about to take your hair game to the next level with an exclusive challenge that celebrates your natural crown. Hey there, it's Charnel, and I'm super excited to announce the Coily Code Crown Challenge. I'm inviting you to join me and our fellow naturalistas for 3 amazing months to help you finish out this year with the momentum for the new year. Here's the lowdown. Month 1, we'll dive into the world of braids and twists. Month 2, time for buns and updos. Month 3, we'll be wrapping it up with head wraps and scarves, perfect for many of you who live in cold climates. Let's talk about the challenge rules. To join the fun, make sure you're a subscriber to this channel. Then comment on this video, "I'm in." Next, you will share your progress in our weekly community posts here on YouTube. In order to be eligible to win, you cannot miss a single post check-in. If you follow these simple steps, you'll be eligible to win a $30 gift card to an online store of your choice. Growth, participation, and consistency are crucial to winning this challenge. But remember, it's not all about the competition. What we're really looking for is to nurture our hair and truly enjoy this journey together. All right, Coily Companions, only subscribers who comment on this video by the 15th of October will be officially entered, so be sure not to miss the deadline. I can't wait to see you all on October 16th for some seriously fabulous hair transformations and the Coily Code Crown Challenge kickoff. And to get you even more prepared, go watch our video on 6 tips that will make your protective styles better. Trust me, you'll want to check this out before we start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon.